Welcome to Master Forex Academy MFA, all the way in Pretoria, mainland Maine, the capital city of South Africa. I am a Master Pro, and on today's date, the 13th of March, it's about 7:04 in the morning, and I'm looking at the market review of USDCAD, which we had looked at yesterday on the 12th of March. This was our analysis. If you want to get an in-depth feedback of or review of it was yesterday, just look at the video that we were having yesterday. Then you'll see how we came about to this chart analysis. What I'm just going to be going through is how the market played out from what we said yesterday. So yesterday we identified this entire area as a significant demand zone, and where we would look into executing our buy trades, and exactly the market did respect the zone, and it started lifting up, and it showed all the way to the top like that. And we also had identified this entire area as a significant trend line. Above it, good for bullish momentum, and beneath it, very strong for a bearish momentum. So this bullish move shot all the way up until it got to that area, finding resistance, starting to go down. What's beautiful about this, we had said and anticipated to say around this price level at 1.34849. If the market find rejection, we were going to start looking into selling. However, if it does break this area, we'll continue to hold our buys and potentially add additional buys as the market moves going up. And the market continued shooting up, and exactly what we did continue to add buys until the market went to that area price over there, which is where we had our TP slightly beneath that zone of 1.35082. Now, as you can see, that the market faced some serious rejection. Price was very hot, a lot of spikes around that area. Then the market started going back down. After a very big push in the market, you'd normally get your correction. Price trying to correct itself, trying to now find a new direction. So looking at where the market is today, just gonna give you a bit of a continuation, because exactly the analysis from yesterday still stands today, but we just need to find areas where we can be able to find a new potential, either buys or sells. So now looking far left on the chart, I'll notice that there was some significant rejection when the market was trading around that area, and also this rejection, the price level all of over here was creating some sort of like a zone. So currently where the market is sitting, as much as you can see that it's sitting in a buy area, but it equally so sitting in a sell zone. So the market is sitting in those two type of positions. So you'd want the market to first break price, looking left on the chart. So if it can break this price level, above it we'll look into buying. Above price 1.34978, we'll look into executing buys with SL anywhere beneath that price of 1.34944. And then if the market fails to do that, we will sell beneath that. I'll show you the sell setup real soon, just now. Now the TP1 obviously will be similar to where we had our TP yesterday, just around that price of 1.35073. And then if the market continues to break that price level, our final TP will be set at around about price 1.35247. So now whenever the market breaks that area, we will look into adding additional buy trades above that, with a very small risk, because it's a very hot price area. So with the very same TP over there. Now when you're looking at where the trend started around about this price over here, you'll notice if I'm joining this area and that area, these are levels where the market was finding comfortable positions to either move bullish or bearish. So now where the market is sitting, it's exactly at that trend line. So now this is a very comfortable first touch above, and then it came, now it's doing a second touch above that price. So if it can break and close above there, I would say it's a very good point of where we can start to buy. You don't want to start buying immediately over there. As I said, this is highlighted beneath. It is obviously a supply area. Above it is a demand zone, but beneath it's a supply zone. So we can also be looking at potential selling trades just beneath that price. We can start looking into executing sell trades beneath price 1.34944, where the take profit slightly above that area of 1.34860, just over there. So another TP slightly above that price of 1.34718. So now this is exactly the same analysis from yesterday, saying that we would be selling at around about that area. So first sniper entries would execute just over there, because this would have meant that that trend line has been broken, and then a new momentum, which is a seller's momentum or a bearish momentum, is starting to take place. So we will look into executing those sells until the price. And as soon as it lands here, it means that it has gotten back into a significant demand buy zone, and then we'll look into executing additional buy trades if the market is to respect that level. But if it is to break it, we'll continue to look for those sell trades, maybe potentially coming back to these price levels here at the bottom. This was just a quick review from yesterday's USDCAD. We don't play here, give you very hot analysis, very hot analysis. You see how the market played out yesterday. So do stay tuned to ensure that you get those quality market insight reviews, so that you can be able to look into an insightful, highly profitable trading day whenever you're trading. And if you don't want to miss any sniper entry, do ensure that you go to on the description down below, click on the link, and then ensure that you subscribe on my Signals channel, or take yourself a course so that you can be able to see how you can be able to have a full market insight on how I trade. So I trade also using these supply and demand levels, and also using these trend lines, just trading on your pure price action, and also I do trade using your Fibonacci and all of those things. There's a lot of strategies that I trade with, depending on how the market is looking like. So if you'd like to get an insightful mentorship, do ensure that you look into the description down below, and then equip yourself with the master. So this is Master Forex Academy. If you want to master your Forex, look no further. Be part of this fast-growing community. You can support the community by joining our YouTube memberships, and then so that you can get more insightful updates during the day from the videos that we are doing, and also getting private videos of market analysis that are not going to be public to everyone else on this community. I love doing what I do. I want to work with people who are as hungry as myself. So if you are hungry and you want to ensure that you feed your wallets and your bank accounts, then come, let's do this thing. Let's go get it. Now the time is around about 7:12. Let us look into our analysis and execute the trades on the setups that we've got. This was the pre-London market open. We are going to be looking into this even during the New York pre-New York open, up until we get into the New York close. This is very beautiful. There are a lot of good setups on other pairs as well. So wishing you guys a productive and profitable trading a day to day until we meet again tomorrow. This is a Master Pro from Master Forex Academy. I'm signing out.
Yeah. From a milli to a billy, and I came from a village to a city, and I thinking that I finna be doing better. Gotta get the money like a cool trader. My plan is